Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss derivative. First, derivative means differentiation. That is, differentiate a function with respect to another function or with respect to a variable. The rate of change of a function with respect to a variable or another function. Let y is equal to f of x. That means y is a function of x. Then derivative of y, we write derivative of y with respect to x in this symbol, or we write y dash dy by dx is equal to y dash, or we write f dash x, that is derivative of f of x. Here derivative with respect to x is denoted by dy dx of this function. Let derivative of y with respect to z, so we write dy by dz with respect to z, so dy dz. Example, derivative of z with respect to x, so we write dz by dx. Here some formulas of derivative. First, derivative of a constant function. Let here constant function is c, so derivative of a constant function is equal to 0. For example, derivative of 5 is a constant function is always 0. Example, y sin 3 is a constant function, so derivative of y with respect to x is equal to 0. Here 3 is the constant function, so derivative of a constant function is 0. Next, derivative of x to the power n. Here y is equal to x to the power n. Here dy by dx. Here y is a function of x, so dy x to the power n by dx. Here the formula is derivative of x to the power n with respect to x is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Is the formula. For example, derivative of x to the power 3 by dx. Here x to the power n, here 3, here n is equal to 3. So applying this formula, the derivative of x to the power 3 is equal to 3 x to the power here n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 into x square. Here question given, differentiate the following function with respect to x. Here y is the function of x, so dy by dx is equal to, we know this formula, derivative of x to the power n by dx is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. Applying this formula, we write here n is equal to 9, so 9 x to the power 9 minus 1, that is 9 x to the power 8. Like this, x to the power 5, here function y is equal to x to the power 5, we have to calculate dy by dx is equal to d x to the power 5 by dx is equal to 5, here n is equal to 5, so 5 x to the power n minus 1, 5 minus 1, that is 5 x to the power 4. Here y is equal to x to the power 7, so dy by dx, that is derivative of x to the power 7 is equal to 7 x to the power 7 minus 1, that is 7x to the power 6. Here y is equal to root over of x. We write this is equal to x to the power 1 by 2. So dy by dx is equal to, here n is equal to 1 by 2. So applying this formula, n 1 by 2 into x to the power n minus 1, here 1 by 2 minus 1, that is half x to the power minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 root x to the power minus 1 by 2. So we can write root over of x. This is the derivative of root over of x. Similarly, you can solve this question also. Here y is equal to 1 by x into root over of x, that is, we can also write this 1 by x into x to the power 1 by 2, that is 1 by, here x power 1, so x, here power is x to the power 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of x to the power, here minus 3 by 2, that is equal to, here n is equal to minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 x to the power minus 5 by 2. Here you can solve this question also. That is y is equal to, we can also write this is equal to x to the power minus 9. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of x to the power minus 9 with respect to x is equal to, here n is equal to minus 9 x to the power minus 9 minus 1. So minus 9 x to the power minus 10. Here this question is like this. So the solution is dy by dx is equal to minus 3 by 2 x to the power minus 5 by 2. Here we solve derivative of all algebraic function. How we solve derivative of exponential function, that e to the power x, derivative of e to the power x is equal to e to the power x. Here x with respect to x, here e to the power x, this is same. So the answer is e to the power x. That is derivative of e to the power x with respect to x is equal to e to the power x. Here the question, y is equal to e to the power root x. So find the derivative of this function. This dy by dx is equal to derivative of e to the power root over of x by dx is equal to, here e to the power x with respect to x, but here e to the power root over of x with respect to x, which are different. So we calculate the derivative of e to the power root over x by d root over of x into derivative of root over of x by dx. Here we find the formula. Here root over of x and root over of x, x e to the power x. Here we write the answer is e to the power root over of x, and this it can we also write x to the power 1 by 2. It is the formula of x to the power n. Derivative of x to the power n, we know n into x to the power n minus 1. So derivative of x to the power 1 by 2 dx is equal to half x to the power minus 1 by 2 to the power root over x into 1 by 2 root over of x. Answer. Another example, y is equal to e to the power x to the power 3, that is e to the power x cube. Find the derivative of this function. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of e to the power x cube with respect to x. Here these are different. So derivative of e to the power x cube by dx cube into dx cube by dx. Here we know this formula is e to the power x cube into this formula is n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 3 x to the power 2. Answer. Another example, y is equal to e to the power sin x. So derivative of y with respect to x is equal to dy dx of e to the power sin x. Here x and sin x, so we write derivative of e to the power sin x by d sin x into derivative of sin x by dx. Here e to the power sin x, derivative of sin x is cos x. You read in next video. So the answer is e to the power sin x into cos x. Here y is equal to e to the power root over of a x. So derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of e to the power root over of a into x. So derivative of e to the power ax by d x into root over of a x y dx, that is e to the power root over of ax. Formula is e to the power root over of ax. So by removing this constant outside, that is root over of a into derivative of x, so derivative of x is equal to 1, that is the answer is root over of a into e to the power root ax. Another formula is derivative of ax is equal to ax log e a, that is equal to ax ln a. Example, dy dx of 3 to the power x. The formula a to the power x, that is here a 3 to the power x ln a, so ln 3